Activity that will produce champions in diverse areas of education. So maybe I think you have heard of Innovation Showdown from your teachers, right? Okay. And this is to establish an innovation mechanism. So this is already our third year. So we started fourth year. We started in 2021 for teachers only, in 2022, and last year we already revised. That is only for the public school teachers. But this year, for 2024, we revised or we updated our guidelines. We included for this year, for 2024 Innovation Showdown, we included the private item and of course for the farm schools. And then, for our criteria, so 70% is of course the paper. So they are going to submit their paper. And since we're from the Policy Planning and Research Division, so since 2021, actually there are, it's different kasi, per classification kita. So for the 2021 Innovation Showdown, 21 school division officers have joined the Innovation Showdown. And 2022, almost 100% of the school division officers have also joined. And in 2023, we missed, I think, one. The learners and education leaders from the schools, district schools division. The Circle Awards recognizes innovations that focuses on curriculum management, how the curriculum is being managed to answer the gap being as an effect of the COVID-19 pandemic. And now we are here to innovate, to address these learning gaps. We have also learning delivery. As you can notice, we have our modular, we have our blended, and we have our face-to-face mode of delivery. And also, we focuses the assessment of learning. We have also the development.
Morning. Okay, sige. I am very much delighted to share with you our live implementation of the Farm School program in DepEd Region 6, Western Visayas. Inspired by the regional mantra, making every child a champion, the Department of Education, Region 6, Western Visayas, under the leadership of our transformational leaders, we have our Regional Director, Dr. Ramir D. Oitico Cesar-Turi, with our Assistant Regional Director, Dr. Victor G. De Gracia Jr. Cesar-5, along with the Functional Division Chiefs and the Regional Office personnel, together with our 21 schools division superintendents and 24 assistant schools division superintendents and the rest of the men and women of the home of the champions. The Department of Education Regional Office 6 pioneered the implementation of the first 30 DepEd run farm schools in the country. This is in accordance with the RA 10618 or the Republic Act 10618, also known as the Rural Farm Schools Act. And Section 4 of RA 10618 states that the Department of Education shall assign 828 farm school learners. We have 3,068 for the male and 2,760 for the female.
Mayong hapon, Western Visayas, or mayong aga, Western Visayas. I am your Sir G or Sir Jove, and we will be talking about School Heads Academy. According to R.D. Ram, the brain behind the School Heads Academy, the man with a burning passion for lifelong learning. School Heads Academy is our way of future-proofing school leaders to reach their full potential. The leadership competence of school heads is considered next only to classroom instruction in creating great schools and helping learners succeed. School heads are expected to set vision, guide instruction, manage resources, unite.
As a student, we hope and we pray that you will advertise all the innovations that we have presented, because it is not only for the teachers, and the end of this are all for the learners. And how the learners in the school level, district level, react on this innovation will also be nullified or be supported by your advocacy.
First-hand experience on this. May I see for those who have taught the 2024 RAM?
Then you have experience taking RAM. Were you serious enough when you answered the different test questions in the RAM? So in other words, because you are always the center of all these innovations, there is a lot put on your shoulder, wherein one is to embrace any innovations fully, and perform well by contributing real and authentic data from your end. So that from the school to the division to the regional office, the data that we are receiving from the innovation.
Early for elementary and you also for secondary, English and Filipino. Then we have our Iran, where you have your enhanced regional unified numeracy test. Because each one of you got your unique and special talents that you excel in mathematics, while those are some not excelling in mathematics. You have also assessment for that on the theory. You have also the CRLA, depending on the K-stage level, where the assessment is fit and right for the learner. However, in the regional achievement measure, all the grade levels are being tested. And all because we have several assessments. So it does not limit you to subject yourself to this type of assessment. So again, you can also you can choose from any of the assessment, but again and again, the regional achievement measure is the only assessment.
Here's what the grade show that meant that four out of 10 students who entered the first grade ended up dropping out of school by 10th grade. So my question is, do you think it is high time for us to prevent and to improve quality education in order to combat this issue?
And you have this banner program, the home gardening, you have also the regional achievement measure, you have also the circle, you have also the park school. We ensure Asia, and we have also the innovation showdown. We ensure monitoring and evaluation and compliance from the schools division or to the district or schools division to the regional level to ensure the impact of this innovation. That's why this innovation now are active and ongoing, that it is a yearly program that we track its impact. So kung tatanungin, kaya nga binigyan kayo ni Sir Madera, there are regional offices because all the schools division are implemented the innovation showdown. And other regional offices from Region 1 down to Region 17 are also throwing an idea which is similar in nature but different in names. Kaya rin natin, mayroon tayong na program, iba natin yung pangalan. Kasi we want also to be tagged as we copy the name of that innovation in religious sureness or surely. Meron silang kanilang innovation sulam. Iba lang yung pangalan.
As institutionalized the innovation showdown, is that correct?
Yes, dear.
So why do you think that other regions have not yet done the same? And if you were able to, would you like to encourage them to do the same, to institutionalize that as well?